So, we're gonna show you this landing. And no. What are we gonna do? So, these things, these actually flaps are down. Oh no, that's a really bad feat. This is gonna be a bumpy ride landing. I see. I did one bump which was so hard. You have to see the directions. You can see that I'm now. Oh, that thing. So. So, see, it's just so small wing. Cause I wish it was bigger, like the 747. It's cool. 747 is better. I have 747-20, which has Air Canada. Okay. Oh look, that's another runway. We're going to land too much early and the bounce will start. Ooh, kind of soft bounce. Wait, what? 35 minutes? Okay. Randomly. And touchdown. Oh no, it's still in the air. It's finally touchdown. No, I'm not at the correct runway. So, actual chaos. We're going by that way. So you can see I stopped for some time. Back to up. Nice, good job. Turn. Okay, some of you might have went to that gate. This nice flight has landed, which is not real. So if I'm going on a real flight, I would record it and recreate the entire video in Pro. I don't have Pro. Okay. No. Okay. Oh no, I am out of the taxi line. I'm going to jail. I stopped for a while. See. Oh shoot. Not. It's gonna line up at the gate. Hey! Other food. ATC. So let's act like we are in the gate. Or we're not in the gate. That's called cheating. It doesn't look like good. We are the mighty. Status thingy. Okay. So no. Okay. Look. We are the driver. Okay, now look at the opening. It's gonna open maybe. Okay. Okay. Wait up, it's not doing anything. You are not working. Okay. All these boys are girls. Nice co-pilot. Hello. What's the problem with yes? Okay. Bye guys.